How to clear cache in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, navigate to the place where the app is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Simply tap on this eye icon. So basically we're in this app info. In other mobile devices, you can directly go to settings and open app info. Now here on the right bottom, tap on clear data. Here there are two different options, clear all data or clear cache. Simply tap on clear cache and at last head on OK. Now it will take some time, so all the temporary files are completely gone. Now you can simply go back and restart the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.